Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Mukherjee. I am a commerce faculty in Takshila Learning. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is entrepreneurship, means how you will start your own business by taking risks. So here we can see first the entrepreneurship is generating from the idea of a business. It means an idea will click on our mind and which kind of business we will start. So that is the idea of business which is click in our mind first. After that, we are making planning about that idea. On that idea, we will make some plan which kind of business we are going to do, what will be the process of the business and all. And third one is the action plan. Action plan means do it for the business, the process of the business. So here we will going to discuss all the things about the entrepreneurship today. Let's see. Here today in this video, I'm going to discuss about meaning of the entrepreneurship, types of the entrepreneurship, what you need to become an entrepreneur, and entrepreneurial process, and what are the benefits of the entrepreneurship. So let's see. So meaning of the entrepreneurship is more than simply starting a business. अगर आप अपने दिमाग में सोचते हो कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, उसके लिए जो भी आइडिया शुरू होता है और लास्ट तक जो एक्शन प्लान होता है, एक्शन प्लान को एक्चुअल में प्रोसेस करने पर जो कुछ भी आउटपुट आता है, ये सारा प्रोसेस मिलकर के बनता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. The definition of entrepreneurship is a process through which individuals identify opportunities. यहाँ पे हम अपॉर्चुनिटीज को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन कौन से अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमारे सामने हैं बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए. उसके बाद हम रिसोर्सेस को एलोकेट करते हैं और एट लास्ट वी आर डूइंग द प्रोसेस एंड क्रिएटिंग द वैल्यू विच इज कॉल्ड प्रॉफिट. This creation of value is often through the identification of unmet needs or through the identification of opportunities for change. Means we can say that an idea which is click in our mind, after that the action plan, after that do it the plan, whatever is planning, do it in actual way, an actual manner. That is called entrepreneurship. Means you are doing your business by taking risk. That is called entrepreneurship. Here we can say that what are the types of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship can be builders, entrepreneurship can be opportunists, entrepreneurship can be specialist, means like doctor, teacher, lawyer, they are the specialists, they can do their own clinic, own chamber and all. Next one is innovator. They are creating some innovative techniques, innovating products and so on for the business which can go for the worldwide. And opportunities means they are taking some opportunity and they are creating their own. Builders, there is something and they are building that from the niche. Here we can say what you need to become an entrepreneur. You need a qualities like a passion. You should have a passion for starting your own business. Intensity, vision, your vision should be clear how far your business will go on, and you should have a self-confidence to make your plannings in an action plan. Next one is a great idea that people will pay money for. Means your idea should be very, very great and it should be like that for which people are ready to pay. Means your product should be sell at market. A plan of success means your plan should be like that which can go for the success path. Consistent execution of the plan means you have to follow your plan one by one and it should be executed in a proper way. Then you can become an entrepreneur. Now we will discuss about the entrepreneurial process. Here we can see some developing discovery is there. We are discovering something, then we are developing plans for the product. Suppose we are planning to make a toothpaste. So first we will discover how we will do this business. what discovery should be needed, what the plans, what the procedure should be needed to make a toothpaste. After that, we will develop a business plan about it. Then we will allocate the resources, whatever we have, land, labor, machinery, rent, and so on. Managing company, then we will hire the employees and will manage our organization. Then again, we will get profits, and again we will harvest in the another product, or we will expand our business channel, and then again we will go to the discovery process. So this entrepreneurial process is a continuous process, and it will go on and on. If we talk about the benefits, what kind of benefits you will get as an entrepreneur? Your schedules can be flexible, your workplace can vary, you can work here or you can work outside of the country, and so on. Excitement, the doing something new, the challenges should be accepted by you. It means the excitement should be there. Entrepreneurship is more than the financial gain. Means your passion is come to the action, that is the entrepreneurship, and the profit should be there, profit will be there, and that is your financial gain. An entrepreneur is a driver. Entrepreneur is a driver who will drive the business through the action plans. That's it. So these are the important things. Thank you.